In this video, we encapsulate the previously developed prototype network into a macro module for future application development and automated testing. We need a package for our macro module. Open the project wizard and select New Package. Define a package group, name, owner and a description. Make sure to have write permission on your selected target directory. Click Create. MeVisLab reloads and you can start creating your macro module. Open Project Wizard and select Macro Module. Run the wizard and enter details of your new macro module. The name will be used for searching in MeVisLab and should be remembered. The genre is used for grouping modules in the Modules menu entry. Select your previously created package. Check Copy Existing Network and select your network file containing the prototype. Check Add Python file. Click Next and create. Your module is generated and you will see the directory containing the files for your macro module. The initial dev file contains information you entered into the wizard for the macro module. The network file contains the prototype you developed before and reused in the wizard. Script files define fields accessible from outside the macro module, inputs and outputs, and allow you to develop a user interface for your prototype and your final application. The initial Python file contains the import of MeVisLab specific objects and functions. You can now search for your module and use it in MeVisLab IDE. The internal network shows the modules of your prototype. A double click opens the automatic panel and only shows the instance name of the module. You can access all files via context menu. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.